Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back, your trusted source for all things related to health and wellness. Today, we have a tropical delight on the menu, guava. This humble fruit is packed with a treasure trove of health benefits, and in this video, we're going to explore the many reasons why you should include guava in your diet. So, let's dive into the world of guava goodness. First, let's get acquainted with guava. Guava is a tropical fruit native to Central America and now grown in many parts of the world. It comes in various varieties, but the most common types are the pink and white guavas. What makes guava truly remarkable is its nutritional profile. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a nutritional powerhouse. Guava is a potent booster for your immune system, thanks to its sky-high vitamin C content. Just one guava provides more vitamin C than many other fruits. Vitamin C is essential for a healthy immune system. Guava's abundance of this vitamin can help your body ward off infections and stay resilient. If you're looking to improve your digestion, guava is your friend. It's rich in dietary fiber, which aids in regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Guava's fiber content not only keeps your digestive system running smoothly, but also helps in maintaining a healthy weight. Guava can also be a heart-healthy addition to your diet. It contains potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Including guava in your diet, along with a balanced lifestyle, can have a positive impact on your heart health. It's a delicious way to take care of your teeth. The antioxidants in guava can do wonders for your skin. They fight free radicals and promote collagen production, giving your skin a youthful and radiant glow. The antioxidants in guava can help reduce skin aging signs like wrinkles and fine lines. Plus, it can improve overall skin texture and tone. Now that you know all about the incredible health benefits of guava, let's talk about how to enjoy it. You can eat guava fresh, add it to fruit salads, or even make a delicious guava smoothie. To make a guava smoothie, simply blend fresh guava with yogurt, a touch of honey, and some ice cubes for a refreshing and nutritious treat. Thanks for joining us on this guava-infused journey today. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our health and wellness content. Until next time, stay healthy and vibrant. Goodbye, and see you in our next video.